रोके भी तो कहाँ रुकने वाले हैं, हम आसमां है कहाँ झुकने वाले हैं। दिल में छुपे हैं जो रंग दिखाएंगे, है जीतने की आदत, हम जीत दे ही जाएंगे। सीने में थिरकती सांसों मिस ना अब ये चांस हो, चलना जैसे जैसे डीएनए में डांस हो, डीएनए में डांस हो, डीएनए में डांस हो। सीने में थिरकती सांसों मिस ना अब ये चांस हो, चलना जैसे जैसे डीएनए में डांस हो, डीएनए में डांस हो, डीएनए में डांस हो, डीएनए में डांस हो। दिल के हिलाते हल्के नहीं है, हम तो खिलाड़ी तो पल के नहीं है। दिल में छुपे हैं जो रंग दिखाएंगे, है जीतने की आदत, हम जीत दे ही जाएंगे। सीने में थिरकती सांसों मिस ना अब ये चांस हो, चलना जैसे जैसे डीएनए में डांस हो, 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 डीएनए में डांस हो।
Hi guys, so we are dancing to the song DNA Mein Dance. Once the music starts, we are going to leave 6 counts and then start with a jump. So how we are jumping is we are crossing our right leg ahead and our left leg goes back. So we go 1 and 2. So we land with our knees bent. And then the next step, immediately we are kicking our right leg ahead and shifting our left leg behind. So it goes 1 and back. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Jump down, kick back. After that, it says कोई रोके भी तो कहाँ रुकने वाले हैं. So we are just going to step forward with our right leg and push with our left hand. So we go 1 and then turn back. 2. One more time. Stepping on our right leg. 1 and 2. The next step is we turn forward towards our left. So our left shoulder is getting pushed back. And we are going to move our hand as if rolling a dice. 1, 2 and clap. The other hand is just forward. So you do a slight shuffle with your leg, which is right, left. So it goes right, left, but forward. You're going 1 and 2. After that, there are 6 beats. So the first 2 beats, we are going to hit our shoulders, right, left. The next 2 beats, we are going to jump on our right leg and lift our left leg off the floor, bending at the knee. So it goes 1, 2. Alright, what we are doing with our hands is right hand fisted goes up, left hand fisted goes down. So it looks something like 1 and 2 is when you cross over and turn. Okay, so continuously it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. And then ready to catch the next 2 beats where you're hitting side and down. And then there is the last beat where you're just kicking back and turning. So it's kick, turn, place. Very simple. Okay, let's do it from the first 2 beats. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, from the top ones. 5, 6, 7, go. jump, down, kick, back, forward, turn, and roll the dice. From here, hit, kick, up, turn, side, down, kick, turn. Alright, then it says हम आसमा है कहाँ झुकने वाले. So what we are going to do is we're going to lift our left leg and place it aside, shift the weight on it and bring it back. Then place our right leg to the side, shift weight on it and bring it back. What our hands are doing is they are getting extended diagonally up and we pull them down, go up, make a semicircle and take them all the way to the other side and pull them down. So continuously it looks something like this. 1 and 2. So this is a simple leg out and leg in. Leg out, leg in with a weight shift. Alright. So once you are done doing 1 and 2, what we are going to do is swing them back and go on the floor. 1, 2, 3. Now we are going to circle around our hand. If you place your hand here, this knee makes a semicircle and goes in front of me. And this leg follows. Right leg makes a circle, left leg follows. 1. Okay? Pretty simple. You need to practice this a little bit. So don't place your hand forward, you won't be able to circle around it. Place it behind so that it's easy to, just circle and go in front of the hand. So you place it here and go. Alright, from here you're just getting up with the support of your hand and your knee and taking a turn. That's it. Okay, so we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Alright, once you're up, there's a beat that starts. What we are going to do is twisted hands, hitting down, hammer hands. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The only thing we are adding here is a level change. And we are also twisting our knee, right knee in and out. We're going 1, 2. So I'm twisting on the ball of my feet or my toes. So 1, 2 and up, 3, 4. What you can do is, you can even travel with this, with a slight shuffle or a jump. Go 1, 2 and side. Then again down, down and change. Okay. Then we are doing a simple 3-step turn. 1, 2, 3, hit. 1, 2, 3, hit. After coming here, we are again doing a leg out, leg in. This time on our toes. Go 1 and back, 2 and back. If you see, there's also a level change. Up and down, up and down. What our arms are doing is, again twisted hands. Open and in, open and in. So the first one is pretty low energy, it's pretty smooth. It goes 1 and 2. But the second one is a hit. It goes tush. Okay? So it goes 1 and hit. So just jerk while you're doing the second one. Then it's just freestyle, you can do anything. It says hey jeeti neki aadat. Okay? And then you can just go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again there are some fast beats and we are hitting them. So the first two are straight hands, pointed hands. Go up. So take your upper body there, up. Then the other side, up. Then you're hitting with the elbows. Here, here. And then we are just shuffling and bringing our leg in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump and wave to stand up. Okay, so this goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump. Alright, then we are just going to step aside as if we are pulling something. We go 1 and 2, then say no and no. Then it's a flick and place. followed by a cross turn. So this is 1 and before you place, just cross and turn and on your toes. 1 and 2. Okay, so this is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Turn and point. Alright. Then we are doing a flick and place. Flick and place. Flick and place. And this is on your toes. Open, close, open, close. As you do this, your hand is going from your left shoulder to right shoulder to up. So this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We do this twice and move on to the next step. That is pull and throw, pull and throw. And then we are just saying no, going forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we go back doing Roger Rabbit. Back and up. Extend back and up. Extend back and up. And double it up. Okay. So this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After doing the fourth count, 5, 6, 7, 8, we are just going forward. Going here. And then the next step is a jazz square. So you cross, cross, back, back, cross, cross, back, back. Add a level change for it to look nice. Once you're done with the jazz square, we are doing SHOO the flies. So hit and hit and hit and hit. And we repeat this. Again, we are doing a leg out and leg in after this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Then the next set of lyrics start. So that we are just contracting, keeping our hands near our waist. Just contract, contract while lifting your leg up. And then raise the roof, raise the roof. Then we are hitting our right leg to the right side twice. Kick, kick and jump. And then look back, look forward. Again, kick, kick and jump. Look back, look forward. And then there are 2 free counts. You can do anything you want. And then repeat the whole thing from the beginning. Okay? It goes from G to Te jayenge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. And here we directly go to flick ball change, flick ball change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flick ball change, flick ball change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then pull through. Forward, 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 forward. Roger Rabbit, and double it up. And come forward. Then again, jazz square and SHOO the flies. And repeat it. The second time when the music starts, we are doing flick ball change, 1, 2, 3, 4, flick ball change, and running man. Okay, so we are ending with a running man. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can add any pose in the end, up to you. That's it. Go ahead and practice the moves.
Thanks for watching. If you've liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.